Good day, everyone. My name is Don Marvel Mudiaga. I am a cartoonist, a digital illustrator, storyboard artist, and animator. So I started as a cartoonist with Tell magazine. I later ventured into manual illustration, now digital illustration, comics, storyboarding, and animation. What I am drawing here is a storyboard for an animation project I am presently working on. So the way I do my illustration, I start with thumbnails. Those thumbnails are normal rough sketch. That's where I get when I'm getting my inspiration. I just need to sketch out, bring out what is in my mind onto the digital platform that you can see I'm using to draw. Then from there, I had to develop that thumbnail into sketches. There I use references sometimes. So once I get a reference, that helps me to develop my sketch into what I want to draw. So after doing that, I now start the inking. As you can see, I'm presently inking the sketch I have done. So from this level, once I'm done with inking it, gradually I have to put the details on everything. So once the details have been done, the next thing is to start adding color. But like I said before, this is a storyboard for an animation I'm working on, so I might not put colors here. The normal color for storyboard, that's what will be on it. So it's just a black and white color. I'll be in the comment section to reply any question asked. Follow me on my social media pages, Don Mavi on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, DonMarvey, Mavi. Thanks for watching.